Hey everyone, so how you can try to fix this annoying TFLA0002 error in the finals. So yeah, you turn off your VPN, check your router and make sure your internet connection is stable, check internet speed, verify game files by going to Steam, the finals, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files, reinstall the game. So yeah, reinstalling the game sometimes might be the only solution, but for some reason this error popped up quite aggressively recently. So yeah, that's just what it is.